making a carrot cake by adding vegetable oil to the mixer. The reason we're adding vegetable oil to this cake is because it adds more moisture to the carrot cake, as well as it gives it a more crumbly feel. We're using brown sugar because of the molasses it contains. It's also considered a wet ingredient because of the molasses. Molasses is a wet sugar, and brown sugar is just a dried version of molasses. So using less brown sugar is even better because the natural sweetness of the molasses is already there. So we're going to keep whipping until the oil and the sugar emulsifies. Here you can see it coming together, which is where we add our eggs. All the wet ingredients should be added to the mixer, which are eggs, sugar, oil, and vanilla. We're going to whip all of this until everything emulsifies and becomes a light brown beige color. Once all the wet ingredients are combined, you're going to grab your shredded carrots that you grated on the box grater and your coconut flakes. But first you want to add the carrots and whip them along with the wet ingredients so you could bring out some of the carrot juices to add more flavor to the cake. After adding the carrots and the coconut to the mixture, set that aside and get your dry ingredients together. The dry ingredients should include your flour, all your spices, salt, and baking soda. Most people like to sift their dry ingredients, but I like to whisk mine because it incorporates all the spices better than sifting. Now we're going to add the flour and coconut milk in 3 parts. First with a half of the flour mixture with the spices, and then coconut milk. Alternate until you have a smooth cake batter. The trick here is to fold the wet and dry ingredients together and not overmix. You can see the batter getting thicker here as I add the last of the coconut milk. This is where we'll get ready to add the batter to the cake pans and get ready to bake. Each cake pan has 2 cups of cake batter. It's a 9-inch cake pan and it makes a 3-inch cake. I'll be layering these cakes in my attempt to decorate the cake with the cream cheese frosting, as you'll see soon.
And that a toothpick will stick up right, so this is the best I ever do.